Hey there, guys. Bruce Milligan from Cell Pro Repair Solutions here again. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, whatever the case may be. Alright, so we got Samsung S20 here, and customer came in and the buttons popped out. Anyways, the reason why this is happening is because these buttons are breaking. Anyways, what you need to do is you need to get a new button, either the volume button or the on-off button. Yeah, what's really going on is a little piece is breaking off. People don't really notice it, and they're just kind of wondering why it's not working anymore. But anyways, if it falls out and you put it back in again and it doesn't stay, you do need a new button. Anyways, you can send me a message and I can send you a button, and I can just accept PayPal. It's $10 for a new button, and basically just get it in the mail, and then you just take it and you kind of just slip it in like that, and it just stays. It's got little clips in which it allows it to stay, and it doesn't fall back out again. Anyways, guys, if you like this video, again, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.